Down, I'm gonna make myself a little bit bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna make myself a little bit bigger because I deserve to be big. I deserve to be the biggest boy in the whole world. That's what I deserve. Yeah, that's right. Fuck you, Sarybot. You're not real. You're a clanker. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Sarybot. You don't. Sarybot, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I said that about you. I'm sorry I said that about you. That was wrong. That was wrong. I'm sorry. Move myself to the top, even though I'm not normally a top, even though I'm normally a bottom. If I gotta move myself to the top in the order, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, woo, wow. Hey, woo, wow. Hey, woo, wow. Ha, woo, wow. Yeah, let's put some music on. Let's put some music on, everyone. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's put some music on. Let's put some music on. Let's do this thing we call music. Ba-da-ba-bam, ba-da-bam, ba-bam. Get this playlist. Start a beautiful mix. Start a beautiful mix. Frick. Fuck yeah, dude. Look like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Listen to that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gonna do it. This is really gonna do it. This is really gonna, it's gonna make everything pop. It's gonna make everything make a day. It's gonna make today into a day. It's gonna make a day into a day, everyone. You're gonna make a day into a day. We're gonna make a day into a day. We're gonna make a day into a day. Remove that, because I don't want to see you. I also don't want to see you by accident. Let's remove these two. Perfect. Perfect. Heck yeah. What else are we gonna do? What else are we gonna do today? I don't know. We're gonna just code. Maybe just code in. I really just don't have that many great stream ideas yet. So it's just, we're just gonna code. We're just gonna code. We're just gonna do that. Oh, I'm just kidding. I do have a lot of great stream ideas. I just don't know how to implement them yet. That's what I'm kind of figuring out. That's actually what I'm figuring out with Godot. That's right. This is the Serious Goob Show. This is the Serious Goob Show. Ah, so what a great song, dude. What a great sound. I can listen to that forever and ever. Oh, this is great too. Oh, this is perfect. I gotta update my wiki. I haven't updated my wiki in a little while. Huh. I should be doing that. I should be doing that. Something's gotten into me. I don't know. Something's gotten into me. I don't know. I'm feeling like a little rascal. Really like a little rascal today. Yeah. I'm still kind of deciding exactly how much to do work stuff while in dog mode. I'm still figuring that out. I'm still figuring that out. My instinct actually today, I was actually gonna show my face. In fact, I can do that right now. I'm gonna show my face. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I was gonna do this today, and this is like fun. This is cool. But there's something about this that I also like too. So I don't know yet. Do I do this? Do I do this? We're just gonna find out. We're just gonna find out together. That's right. Is it even possible to hype us up while we're doing the thing? I don't know. All right, let's start. Let's open the thing we're set out to do. We're gonna open the thing. We're gonna do the thing so that we're productive today. We're gonna be productive today. That's right. We're not gonna say no. We're gonna say yay. This is a yay day. That's right. That's what they call. That's what they call today. It's a yay day.
Okay, let's continue improving this text editor.
Let's continue improving this text
One of the
editor.
first things I want to address is that here, when I open the files in the previous...
I don't think I want to hear your voice. Goodbye. I just don't think I need it. But I guess I do need it. I do need to be able to hear what he's saying.
Closing it.
Closing it. What are we doing?
Because otherwise the files are gonna be left in memory. And
oh, so we gotta close it. We gotta close it to make sure the files aren't left in memory. That is bad for you and me. Down here at the deep blue sea. That's a bad thing. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure. That everything is closed by the time you leave.
you want to
Why? Where do I close it? Where do I close this thing? Where do I close this thing? Store string, somewhere on save file dialog file selected. He wants us to do that. Where is this? Oh, I wonder if there's like a way to make it so that like, can I do like a window capture of whatever is like the most, whatever window is the one I'm using? Can I do that? We're gonna find out, we're gonna find out. Dun, dun. What are we doing today? What are we doing? Gonna wanna text edit this thing. Text edit this thing. So when the save file on dialog, file selected. On nope, we want to do the other one on save file dialog, file selected. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. It's gonna be in writer. Writer. I call this program writer because you write on it, when you write on things, you know, in a way that you can't say in public. That's what programming feels like. Actually, no one tells you that. What are we doing? Gonna make a function here so that when we click this thing, we get the expected outcome we'd like. On save file selected. We want to connect this thing, connect it to this program. We want that to be the name of our function, which it already did that, so we're good on this thing. Now we gotta close it. F.open. What the frick is F? What is F? Our F equals file.new. So we open it and then we store it and then we close it. So we want to make sure we close it. That's all we gotta do. So path equals path, text edit dot text equals load from file. I see. And then we have a function, our own function called load from file that we're using. That makes everything so clear. So we're gonna do that thing. And then we're gonna... So we're loading from file. And then we're returning content. So we are going to text edit. What are we doing here? I'm thinking about inappropriate thoughts. We're going to want to text edit.text, load from file. So we store the text. What's our problem here? Our problem is that we got this function load from file that we're using for both. We don't really need that. We don't really need that. Load from file, we should have maybe a function called save to file. That might work for us. Public void, because we're not returning anything. Oh, I don't know. Save to file. Is that what we're doing? I guess so. I would like the path. I like to have the path be a variable. That would be nice, I think. I mean, I guess we could have a private string path. I guess that could work. But like, that just feels a little icky to me. I don't know. It feels a little icky to me. We're gonna do this instead. Save to file, and then we have string path. Well, we need content, string, path. We'll need both of those things. I don't like that I don't like the formatting of this. Like, I feel like it'll be too easy to mess it up. So how can we improve this? String path. How can we make sure the person doesn't mess this up? I think we can make sure this person doesn't mess it up. So here's my problem. Is that there's a function I have called save to file. The problem is that if you write like if you have this function exist, somebody might accidentally use that function, including myself, and they might interchange these two, the path and the content. And so what we want to make sure is that this doesn't happen. And so I think the way that we're going to do this we have a class called file. I'm gonna make a class. Make a class, and then I'm gonna instead of having these two functions be here under the app, I'm just gonna have file.save. So like if you get the file, you can if you have the file, you can just save it. You can just save the file. And I think that'll be fine and nice and fun. Can I have a non-static constructor? So let's make it static. So I guess we'll just do that. Static constructor must be parameterless. What? Maybe just public file then. Does that work? Yeah, boy. We are in a zoo, the animal zoo. We're gonna do a file thingy cheeky. Path is equal. What are we doing here? I might need to start writing down things that I'm doing so I actually know what I'm doing. We need to construct this thing using a path. So the class file, we are going to, what we're going to want, first of all, here's what we want. We're going to want to define what this file, what parameters do we have here. So we can do string, for example, path. Parachute path. Let's go. Then we can also do. I guess that's it. We're gonna just do that for now. This might be too complicating it, but that's fine. Path. Path is equal to path. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. I went to the reverse. Path is equal to path. There we go. They don't tell you that. They don't teach you that in school. That path equals path. You gotta learn that for yourself, boy. Path's equal to path. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some functions in here. I know that I want a function called save. I want a function called save. I know that. Which is gonna do the thing we're gonna do from here. So we're gonna access the path. But access the path. What is the path we're accessing here? Easy. So we have this thing. We're gonna use it, I suppose, but we really don't need it. File.store string content. Whoa. Whoa, I guess that's it. I guess that's it. I guess we already have save to file. We have this stuff here. So we're gonna do this. Save. Var file is equal to file.access.open path. So. Wait, no, that's not saving. That's loading. So we string you can do get content. I don't know why I'm feeling like doing it this way, but this way makes sense to me. It might be stupid, but it makes sense. String get content, return content. There we go. String save. I think what we want to do is we want to have sort of like 3 different things. I want to have something that shows, like if we get the content, there's like the saved content, and then there's like the unsaved content. Maybe we change this to get saved content. Let's change that. Get saved content. Is that a good name for a function? Probably not. I don't think so, but you know what? I like it. I think it's goop. Get saved content. Let's do it. Let's get this saved content. Maybe get saved changes. Sure. Let's just do get saved content. Then we're gonna do like a string get I guess we could just do get content. I guess that's fine. Get text content. Get text. Get content sex. I don't know why I'm so paralyzed with this. I'm so paralyzed. String content. Okay. Then we can do file access dot close. Oh, can we not do, what the fuck is create temp? Create temporary file? Wait. What the frick is happening? Get. This means I'm using the using statement. Oh, so we don't need to worry about closing. It's already down, so we don't have to worry about closing it. That works. That works for us. Dun, 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 dun. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-bam. This is file.get as text. What are we doing? Okay, so we don't have to worry about saving it anyway. Okay, so I might be making things more complicated than I need to. Oops, that's okay. Oh, this can be a void. That doesn't need to be setting anything. Unless we want these to be fields, I don't think that really makes sense. I think load and save might be... Load from file. Save. Or, okay, I think here's what we can do. We can do string load, or we can say like void load out string. And this is just load. Load. Let's do this. Let's put this over here. Void load out string. And then we can say that string is equal to content. Or content equals string, I should say. Oops. Also, this shouldn't be string. Out content. Let's do that. Out string content. Or we can have string load, which return var. So we can do string content return load string content return, or just like load content. Boom, boom, wait, I forgot how to do this. How do you do this again? Oh, right. Load out var content. Return content. There we go. There we go. Now we have two methods for loads. That's fun. That's fine. Instead of having these, which we really don't need, we can at least say file dialog. We do need these. Really all we need is like a private file. So we have that. So we have path is equal to path. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So what we want to say is that text equals to load from file. This is gonna cause some problems for me, but that's okay. New file, and then we can say that. Oh, are these not public? Fuck. I thought these would be public. Oh, I'm so silly. So now we have a class, and what this class is doing it's a file class, and now we have a function to load that file from that class. I have absolutely no idea if this is going to this might make life way more difficult. I might just refactored it unnecessarily, but it was fun. I had a fun time. File.load. There we go. Here we'll say if. Well, we're just gonna kind of assume that we're not gonna run into any issues. Let's do maybe like text file dot save text edit dot text. There we go. There we go. Do we make our life easier or harder? We're gonna find out. We're going to find out. Here's what else we're gonna do too, is we do want to make sure that what do we want to make sure this music is oh dear, it's distracting me. It's too good. It's too good. I like unironically love this song. I think it's a really great song. Did you love? We know the rules and show you I'm. We're gonna build it. We're gonna load it. And you're gonna sing turn around and hurt you. We're gonna make a test file. Test file. There we go. I'm gonna say goodbye. I hurt you. Turn around and hurt you. Open. Oh, let's do this one more time. Open file. Test file. Okay. Did that work? Look at that. We just made an edit. We just made an edit. Let's go. That's what we did. We just made an edit. Now we can edit text and we can open it, save it. That's gonna be the thing that we are good at.
Free that from the memory the next time. This was brought to my attention by a viewer, so thank you. Yeah, with that out of the way, let's continue including our.
Okay, let's see what else we gotta do.
A little bit is that I made these two buttons here as an example, but in a regular program you don't have them laid out as this. You know, like So what we want is something like this, a menu with buttons and the actions that we have for different. So let's do that. First thing, I'm gonna make a little bit more room. I'm gonna leave this here. And let's add the node, which is inside control, base buttons, menu buttons. it's always so hidden. But yeah, here you have a special button, a big pop-up menu, one click. Exactly that.
Okay. We're gonna what we're gonna do is we need a menu button, so we're gonna open up the menu. That's what we're gonna do.
Which is, you know, usual file functions. I want it to be less justified like that. Yeah, that should be.
Ooh, I'm stretching.
Inside the file, as well as an extra one, like I don't know, maybe quit, something like that. The problem is that from here, from the inspector, you cannot create the items inside there, and you have to do everything by code. This is something that's kind of weird, but let's just go to that. On the ready function, which is when the program starts, we can add these new options for the menu button. Since we are going to have different ones, let's call this one menu button file, so we know which one we're talking about for the future, because we want to have more. So let's try this out and see how it looks. Okay, we have here the file, and when we press
menu button file. So we want to create a menu button file.
Items inside this node, but there's no way to add them as I told you before. Menu button file. That now you need to access the pop-up, which is empty at this moment. And now we can add an item. Add item, and let's call this open file. Okay, let's see how.
All right, interesting. What else do we do? 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 Tell me what else we do. So we open get that, and that'll make us able to have that. I'm gonna need to do it through code. So we're gonna need to have open file, a save as file, and a quit file button. That's gonna have to do that through code because life hates us.
These items, they have some signals that they emit, but you need to connect those signals to a function like we did before. So let's create those links, and let's get the menu button file. We get the pop-up, and now we have to connect the ID press, which is when you press on one of the options.
So when you do connect like that, that's how you.
We connect it to this script, and now we call the name of a function that we want to call on that instance. So
interesting.
Which is I don't know. Let's go on item pressed. Yeah. So now every time we click on one of these, this function on this file. Let's create that function on item pressed.
Why is there so? Where are the cats? What? Why are there cats here? What? Why are they meowing?
This is something I really like when I'm learning something. I write everything with prints just to test it out. Like, is it working? It is not. Just my way of doing things. Let's see. It is not working. Why not? We were calling ID press on item press. Zero arguments. It was called with 1. Okay, that means that it needs an argument here. That's why I always test things. Of course, this is kind of like rehearsed, but I really want to encourage you to try things because if you start coding for a while, you haven't tested it, you will find some errors, and sometimes you don't really know where they are coming from. So what you get here is an ID from an item. And to get the name of that, we're gonna create a variable with the item name, and we're gonna have to get again to that menu button file and pop-up, and now get item text, and now we can set the ID for that. This will get us this value. Let's try it out here. Hello. Oh, yeah. Let's do.
Is this the Balatro? This is Balatro, isn't it? God damn it.
Name, and now we're gonna be pressed just to make sure that they are working. Let's see.
What is happening?
Make sure that they are working. Let's see.
Item name plus pressed.
File, open file. Yes, open file pressed. Item name.
Okay.
And now we're gonna be.
I wish I really need. I guess I could have like a sticky note or something. Sure, I'll use Microsoft Sticky Notes for now. I think that's actually going to be a pretty good idea. Just for now. Let's have something. Boop, boop, boom, boom. Here, what I want to do is, first of all, can you stay on the screen? Can you do that? I don't want you to go away. Okay, whatever. So, you got a sticky note here. First things first, what I want to say is that I need to create open file pop-up, create save as file pop-up, create quit pop-up. And then, first of all, also, why is the text here so small? Excuse me? You're so small. I want you to be bigger. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. Notes list. Can you be green? You totally can be green. Oh, fuck yeah. Freak yeah. You can be green, but you can't be bigger. Oh, dear. There's gotta be a way, dude. Whatever.
File, open file. Yes, open file pressed.
File, open file.
Wait.
Okay. And then we just gotta link that up with, just say like connect with signals. That's what we're gonna do, I think.